आपका आर स्क्वायर सर केमिस्ट्री चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, बेल आइकन बटन जरूर दबाइए। चैप्टर इस पर जो अपलोड किया जा रहा है, चैप्टर का नाम है पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट। सीरीज में डाला जा रहा है वीडियो 1, वीडियो 2, वीडियो 3 कर। इसमें पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट का कंप्लीट थ्योरी दिया जा रहा है, जिसे आप घर बैठे स्टडी कर सकते हैं। आज स्टडी करते हैं ऑक्साइड। What is oxide? Oxygen reacts with element to form oxide. Oxygen reacts with element to form oxide. In many cases, one element form two or more than two oxide. Elements react with oxygen means S plus O2 SO2. It is called oxide. Al plus O2 Al2O3 oxide. ये आपका है ऑक्साइड। तो ऑक्साइड, व्हाट इज ऑक्साइड? एलिमेंट्स रिएक्ट विथ ऑक्सीजन टू फॉर्म ऑक्साइड। इन मेनी केस वन एलिमेंट रिएक्ट टू फॉर्म टू और मोर देन टू ऑक्साइड। सल्फर O2 से रिएक्ट कर SO2 का फॉर्मेशन, सल्फर O2 से रिएक्ट कर SO3 बैलेंस करने के लिए 3 2 2 मीन्स वन एलिमेंट फॉर्म्स टू or more than two oxides. There are following types of oxide. Types of oxide. इसे आप रिमेंबर रखिएगा। Types of oxide. Acidic oxide, basic oxide, neutral oxide, acidic oxide, basic oxide, neutral oxide, amphoteric oxide. एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड, इस सब के बारे में बताए हैं कहीं ना कहीं। एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड। देखिए ऑक्साइड टाइप्स है, तो ऑक्साइड का एक टाइप इसमें ले लेते हैं। जैसे ऑक्साइड है तो एक टाइप बात दिया गया सिंपल ऑक्साइड। सिंपल ऑक्साइड का ही टाइप होगा सिंपल ऑक्साइड। और सेकंड टाइप होता है मिक्स्ड ऑक्साइड। मिक्स्ड ऑक्साइड, देखिएगा ध्यान से, सिंपल ऑक्साइड क्या है और मिक्स्ड ऑक्साइड क्या है। सिंपल ऑक्साइड में हम कहेंगे इट इज फॉर्म्ड ओनली वन ऑक्साइड, MgO Al2O3 is called simple oxide. When simple oxide formed only one oxide, but mixed oxide it is formed by two oxide. देखिए mixed oxide, the formation of mixed oxide by the combination of two oxide, but simple oxide it is formed only one oxide. एग्जाम्पल मिक्स ऑक्साइड का देखेंगे और सिंपल ऑक्साइड का, तो ये सब एग्जाम्पल हम बताएंगे तो सिंपल ऑक्साइड में आएगा। मिक्स ऑक्साइड का एग्जाम्पल यदि हम बताएंगे तो इट इज ए मिक्सचर ऑफ टू ऑक्साइड। एग्जाम्पल में Fe3O4 is the example of mixed oxide. Pb3O4 it is the example of mixed oxide. Fe3O4 is formed by the combination of FeO and Fe2O3. FeO and Fe2O3 it is called क्या? Mixed oxide. Pb3O4 it is formed by the combination of PbO and Pb2O3. It is the example of mixed oxide. Any problem?
No sir. Yes sir, I don't understand mixed oxide.
What is oxide? Oxygen reacts with element to form oxide. Any element reacts with oxygen to form क्या? Oxide. माने oxygen takes part in या mixed with element. Sulfur reacts with O2 to form sulfur dioxide. Aluminium reacts with O2 to form aluminium oxide, and sulfur reacts with O2 also form SO3. Here oxide is divided into two types, simple oxide and mixed oxide. Simple oxide definition, it is formed only one oxide, but it is not mixture of two oxide. In case of mixed oxide is formed by the combination of two oxide. Here Fe3O4 is formed by the combination of Fe2O3, FeO is equal to Fe3O4. PbO, Pb2O3 combination Pb3O4. It is a mixture of two oxide, hence it is called क्या? Mixed oxide. Okay. Hello. Sujal.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes sir. Okay.
There are 4 types of simple oxide. Simple oxide का type acidic oxide, basic oxide, neutral oxide and amphoteric oxide.
Amphoteric oxide.
ठीक है, remember. चलिए screenshot. Okay. What is mixed oxide, Elisa?
क्या सर?
What is mixed oxide?
मिक्स ऑक्साइड, जो कि क्या बोलते हैं, क्या बताए थे अभी आप, भूलिएगा.
निधि.
So an oxide formed by the combination of two oxides.
Okay, ठीक है. What is simple oxide?
When oxide is formed with only one oxide is called.
Only one type of oxide, but not combination. Not combination of two oxide. It is called क्या? It is called simple oxide. ठीक है ना? Okay. What is acidic oxide? Define acidic oxide.
एसिड के कॉम्बिनेशन से जो ऑक्साइड बने.
Those oxide which gives acid in water called acidic oxide. Those oxide which gives acid in water, it is called acidic oxide. Okay. SO2 dissolve in water to give H2SO3. It is called acidic. It is called acidic oxide. It is called acid. SO3 dissolve in water to give H2SO4. CO2 dissolve in water, H2CO3. Here SO2, SO3, CO2 are acidic oxide. That is oxide of non-metal. Oxide of non-metal are acidic in nature. Okay.
सर मतलब नॉन मेटल से अगर ऑक्साइड, नॉन मेटल का जो ऑक्साइड होगा वो एसिडिक होगा.
Always.
और मेटल का होगा तो बेसिक.
Basic. SO2, CO2, SO3, acidic oxide. Oxide. That is oxide of non-metal. Oxide of non-metal. Acidic nature. Acidic. Okay. Okay. Pooja.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is basic oxide? Those oxides which give base in water is called क्या? Basic oxide. Metal oxides are basic in nature. Example: CaO dissolve in water to give CaOH whole 2. OH present in this compound. It is called basic in nature. This is called calcium hydroxide. They have tendency to give OH minus. That is base. Okay. Na2O plus H2O to give 2 NaOH. Here NaOH is basic in nature. We know that NaOH is base because they have tendency to give OH minus in water. That is of metal oxide, CaO, Na2O, basic in nature, basic. Okay. Hello Pooja, Elisa, Raghav.
Yes.
Okay.
यस सर.
Okay.
Sir? हाँ sir.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं. चलिए स्क्रीनशॉट. Two types acidic oxide and basic oxide. Start. High oxidation state metal oxide. High oxidation state metal oxide like like high oxidation state metal oxide like vanadium pentaoxide. We know that vanadium pentaoxide MnA2O7 V2O5, this is called vanadium pentaoxide. CrO3 chromium oxide, oxidation state 5, oxidation state 7, oxidation state 6. Vanadium penta, in case of vanadium pentaoxide, oxidation state of vanadium is +5. And in case of chromium oxide, oxidation state of chromium +6. And in case of manganese oxide, in oxidation state of Mn is +7. Are acidic in nature. Are acidic in nature. If oxide of metal consists high oxidation state, then its property is acidic because they have tendency to give H plus in water. They have tendency to formation of acid in water. VBI topic: high oxidation state of metals are acidic in nature. Now, neutral oxide and amphoteric oxide. What is neutral oxide? How many neutral oxide? Nidhi? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is neutral
Is
oxide?
neutral.
Those
The
oxide.
oxide is neutral compound.
Those
When
oxides,
react.
okay. Those oxides which are neither acidic nor basic, neither acidic nor basic, called क्या? Neutral oxide. So those oxides which are neither acidic nor basic called neutral oxide. Example, we know that example N2O, laughing gas, is the example of neutral oxide. NO is the example of neutral oxide. CO is the example of neutral oxide. Three neutral oxide, N2O, NO and CO. Okay. Hello.
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
सर.
Any problem?
No sir, कोई problem नहीं है.
Last oxide, amphoteric oxide. What is amphoteric oxide?
Those oxide which show both acidic and basic character.
एकदम amphoteric oxide. Amphoteric oxide. Those oxides which are acidic and basic, dual nature, called amphoteric oxide. That is, they dissolve in water to give acid or base, called amphoteric oxide. Example, Al2O3, they have tendency to give acid and base both in water. B2O3, aluminum oxide and boron oxide is the example of amphoteric oxide. Okay, so total oxide. First of all, oxide is divided into two types: simple oxide, mixed oxide. What is simple oxide? Simple oxide and mixed oxide. Simple oxide, definition of simple oxide. So it is found only one oxide, MgO, Al2O3, but not combination of two or more than two oxide. What is mixed oxide? Mixed oxide is formed by the combination of two or more than two oxide. Simple oxide is divided into four types. First of all, acidic oxide. Those oxide which gives acid in water called acidic oxide. Non-metal oxide are the example of acidic oxide. What is basic oxide? Those oxide which gives base in water called basic oxide. Metal oxide are the example of basic oxide. Exception: high oxidation state metal oxide like Mn2O7, maximum oxidation state Mn7, V2O5 oxidation state 5, chromium oxide oxidation state +6. High oxidation state metal oxides are acidic in nature. Next, neutral oxide. What is neutral oxide? Those oxides which are neither acidic nor basic called neutral oxide. Example 3, VBI important. Neutral oxide N2O, NO, CO are the example of neutral oxide. N2O is also called laughing gas. Okay. What is amphoteric oxide? Those oxides which are acidic and basic dual nature called amphoteric oxide. Example Al2O3, B2O3. Okay.